Hey yo, what it do, you too? It's your boy, Ugly God Hephaestus. And today I'll be starting off my YouTube with a blacksmith tutorial. You feel me? Alright man, today I'll be showing y'all boys how to craft your own sword. Alright, so the items you'll be needing is one piece of metal and a hammer. You'll also need something to burn the metal. Alright, so you're gonna start off by heating up the metal. Alright, so after you're done with that, you're gonna have to get the hammer. And after that's complete, you get to hammering. Alright man, there you have it. How to make your own sword. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification. Peace.